should pretend. I'm gonna make pizza. Pizza! Yay! What are you gonna make? What? Charlotte, can you get this my hand? We're gonna share. What? I'm gonna make steak. Okay. Make the steak. Charlotte, give me a stick. Let's make it. My steak is not ready yet. Okay, I need to put it in here in the oven. I didn't put mine in the. I'm gonna put mine in the oven. Now ours is done. Yeah. And yours. Yeah. And now we can stir it. Yeah. Now we can put some rocks. Okay. Got them. And then mix it. Well, I don't have enough sand. Then put it in your hand. Well, I don't have enough sand. Well, I don't have enough. They get it. Then put it back in the oven. Maybe that's enough. Let's put mine in the oven.
She's getting it. Heel.
And then yours is done. And mine is done. Mine is done. What? What? Yours is done. Now we mix it. Yep, we do mix it. And now it's done. Let's go give it to them.